Upgrading DigitalOcean Managed Databases is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, it is essential to understand the key concepts involved in the upgrade process. DigitalOcean Managed Databases provide a scalable and secure way to manage your databases, and upgrading them ensures you have the latest features and security patches. First, log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the Managed Databases section. Here, you will see a list of your existing databases, including their current version and status. Identify the database you want to upgrade and click on it to view its details. Next, click on the Upgrade button to initiate the upgrade process. You will be presented with a list of available versions to upgrade to, along with their release notes and changelogs. Choose the version you want to upgrade to and review the release notes to understand the changes and new features included in the upgrade. Before proceeding with the upgrade, make sure to back up your database to prevent any data loss in case something goes wrong. DigitalOcean provides automated backups for managed databases, but it is always a good practice to create a manual backup before making any significant changes. Once you have backed up your database, click on the Upgrade button to start the upgrade process. The upgrade process may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the size of your database and the complexity of the upgrade. During this time, your database will be unavailable, so it is essential to plan the upgrade during a maintenance window to minimize downtime. After the upgrade is complete, verify that your database is functioning correctly and that all applications and services are connecting to it successfully. You can do this by checking the database logs and monitoring its performance. Best practices for upgrading DigitalOcean Managed Databases include scheduling upgrades during maintenance windows, backing up your database before upgrading, and testing your applications and services after the upgrade to ensure they are working correctly. Additionally, it is crucial to stay up to date with the latest version of your database management system to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. In conclusion, upgrading DigitalOcean Managed Databases is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this guide and adhering to best practices, you can ensure a smooth and successful upgrade of your managed databases.